Hello Clark students, this is Mrs. Cow, and this video is meant to preview the experiment called distillation. The purpose of distillation is to purify things, and you do it based on the boiling points of the materials you're separating, and you can use distillation to purify salt water, crude oil, and many other things. In distillation, you're going to have two changes of states. Vaporizing, where you're going to have both boiling and evaporation, but you'll also have condensation. This is a picture of what the apparatus looks like, and in the flask you're going to have salt water, and it's going to go through boiling and evaporation, and then the water vapor will go through the rubber tubing and condense into the test tube. The purpose of doing this lab is for you guys to see two changes of state: vaporizing and condensation. But the second purpose is for you guys to observe the temperature plateau, that when a liquid reaches its boiling point, its temperature plateaus. In this case, it's salt water, but salt water, because it has salt mixed in it, its temperature will be slightly above 100 degrees Celsius, and it'll plateau probably close to 103 or 104 degrees Celsius. Here's the actual apparatus. You may remember making a right angle glass bend in 6th grade. Some of you used that during this lab as well. The ring with the wire screen has a very important purpose. It spreads the heat from the Bunsen burner flame evenly to allow the entire salt water to heat up. In this test tube, you guys are going to collect clean water, and this clean water will not have the food coloring in it and will not have the salt. But that happens because of the cold water bath that will make the water vapor condense, turn from gas back into a liquid. In this experiment, you're going to have 3 jobs. Your first job is going to be, one person's job will be to watch the apparatus and keep an eye on temperature. The second person is going to be recording this information in the data chart. And if you're the recorder, this is how you're going to set up the data chart. As you can see, there'll be qualitative observations as well. The third person in the group is going to be graphing this information live. So this would be the basic setup of your graph, and the experiment will take about 15 minutes. So if you're recording temperature every 30 seconds, that means that you're going to have 30 time increments to record, and the temperature will start at room temperature, which is about 20 degrees Celsius, and you should go all the way up to 110 degrees Celsius. Please make sure you read the directions carefully and answer the questions that are on the pre-lab, and I'll see you tomorrow for the experiment. Take care.